In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a state return in TurboTax. If you've already started your federal return and now need to add a state return, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward. The nice thing is that much of your federal information can carry over automatically, which helps save time and reduces the chance of entering the same details twice. I'll walk you through the process so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're currently working on. Make sure you're in the correct return before moving forward, especially if you've worked on multiple tax files before. Once your return is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, click on State. This is the section where TurboTax handles state tax filing separately from your federal return. After that, click Go to State Return. This tells TurboTax that you're ready to begin the state portion of your taxes. In some cases, you may see a prompt asking you to choose a state before continuing. If that appears, simply click Choose State to move ahead. Next, use the drop-down menu to select the state you want to add. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, since state tax rules and forms can vary quite a bit depending on where you lived or earned income. Once you've selected the right state, click Continue. At this point, TurboTax will begin creating your state return for you. One of the most helpful parts of this process is that it will automatically transfer your federal tax information into the state return where applicable. This can make things much faster and gives you a solid starting point. Even so, it's still a good idea to review everything carefully because each state has its own requirements, deductions, credits, and tax rules. From there, continue by completing the state-specific questions. These questions are important because they help TurboTax determine whether there are any adjustments, credits, or additional details required for your state filing. Read each screen carefully and answer based on your own situation. If something seems unfamiliar, don't rush. Taking an extra moment here can help prevent mistakes later. Once you've worked through those state questions, your state return will be added and ready for review as part of your overall tax filing process. Thanks for watching.